Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks pink in Block Blast. To begin, understand that pink blocks are created by combining specific elements on the game board. Your primary goal is to strategically clear adjacent blocks to facilitate these combinations. Focus on setting up chains that lead to the desired pink block formation. This easy method emphasizes efficient board management and quick decision-making for optimal results. Pink blocks are typically generated when you clear a certain number of blocks of the same color consecutively or by activating special power-ups. For instance, clearing 7 blocks of one color might create a pink block. Pay close attention to the game's tutorial or in-game hints for precise mechanics. Activating a bomb or a rocket near a cluster of blocks can also contribute to their transformation into pink blocks. To easily make blocks pink, prioritize creating large matches. Look for opportunities to clear 5 or more blocks in a single move. This often charges special abilities faster, which can then be used to generate pink blocks. Don't hesitate to use your initial power-ups strategically to clear pathways and set up bigger combinations. Planning 2 or 3 moves ahead significantly increases your chances of success. Mastering pink blocks involves consistent practice and pattern recognition. Always observe the board for potential large matches and power-up opportunities. Remember, the goal is not just to clear blocks, but to clear them in a way that leads to pink block creation. With these easy strategies, you will consistently achieve pink blocks and advance through your Block Blast levels more effectively.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.